Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Alpha Lion Creatine is probably one of the most talked about supplements in the fitness world right now, and for good reason. If you're looking to boost your performance, increase muscle mass, and accelerate your recovery, this product promises to deliver. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we're diving deep into the ingredients, the science, and the real-world results to help you decide if Alpha Lion Creatine is the right choice for your fitness journey. Number 5. Jacked Factory Creatine Monohydrate Powder 425g. Unlock your potential with pure creatine monohydrate. This unflavored powder is designed to fuel your workouts and support muscle growth. Experience enhanced absorption with our micronized formula. It mixes easily, ensuring you get the most out of every serving. Whether you're a man or woman, this supplement helps build lean muscle and improve athletic performance. It's perfect for your fitness journey. We believe in clean nutrition. That's why our creatine is vegan-friendly and rigorously third-party tested for purity and quality. Each container provides 85 servings, offering great value and consistent support for your training goals. Fuel your gains with confidence. What we like. This product offers a high-quality, micronized creatine monohydrate. It's vegan-friendly and rigorously third-party tested for purity. If you are looking for a reliable and clean source of creatine, this is a great choice. What people say. This creatine is great for muscle growth and strength gains. I noticed a significant increase in my energy levels after taking this creatine. The powder mixes easily with water and doesn't have a chalky taste. Number 4. Sports Research L-Theanine 200 mg Suntheanine. Feeling stressed or unfocused? Discover a natural way to find your balance. Our supplement is designed to help you achieve a state of calm relaxation. Experience improved mental clarity and a brighter outlook. This formula supports a positive mood and sharpens your focus, so you can tackle your day with confidence. Get twice the relaxation power with our double-strength formula. Each soft gel provides potent support for your well-being, helping you unwind and de-stress effectively. We believe in the power of nature. That's why our product is made with organic coconut oil and is non-GMO and gluten-free, ensuring you receive only the best. Enjoy 60 servings of pure L-Theanine to support your journey to relaxation and focus. It's a convenient and effective way to enhance your daily wellness routine. Trust in a brand committed to your health. Sports Research brings you high-quality supplements designed to support your active and balanced lifestyle. What we like. This supplement features L-Theanine for enhanced relaxation and focus. It's made with organic coconut oil and is non-GMO and gluten-free. If you're seeking to improve your mental clarity and calm during stressful times, this is the one for you. What people say. This creatine is amazing. I have been taking it for a week and I can already feel a difference in my workouts. I have been using this creatine for a month now and I can definitely say that it has helped me increase my strength and endurance. This creatine is great for muscle growth and recovery. I have noticed a significant improvement in my gains since I started using it. Number 3. ProSupps L-Carnitine Liquid 3000. Fuel your body with our advanced L-Carnitine formula. It's designed to support your fitness journey, whether you're hitting the gym or just need a clean energy boost. Experience sustained energy without the unwanted side effects. This stimulant-free formula helps you power through your workouts and daily activities with ease. Support your muscle recovery and enhance your overall performance. It aids in the process of turning fat into energy, helping you achieve your goals faster. Enjoy the benefits without the guilt. Our liquid shots contain no sugar and no carbs, making them a perfect addition to any diet plan. Savor the refreshing taste of dragon fruit with every serving. It's a delicious way to support your active lifestyle and stay hydrated. Each bottle provides 31 servings of pure L-Carnitine. Get the most out of your training with this convenient and effective supplement. What we like. This is a stimulant-free liquid L-Carnitine formula. It provides clean energy without sugar or carbs, aiding performance and recovery. If you need a pre-workout boost without stimulants and are watching your sugar intake, consider this option. What people say. This creatine is great for muscle growth and strength gains. I noticed a significant increase in my energy levels after taking this creatine. The powder mixes easily with water and doesn't have a gritty texture. Number 2. Nutricost Micronized Creatine Monohydrate. Unlock your athletic potential with our high-quality creatine monohydrate. It's designed to support your muscle growth and energy levels. Experience the difference of our micronized formula. It ensures maximum absorption and effectiveness for your workouts. Each serving provides a potent 3,000 mg dose to help you achieve your fitness goals. Get the most out of every capsule. With 125 servings per bottle, you'll have a consistent supply to fuel your training. This is your long-term partner in fitness. Boost your strength and endurance with this essential supplement. It's formulated to help you push your limits and recover faster. We are committed to providing you with premium supplements at an affordable price. Invest in your health and performance with confidence. What we like. This option provides micronized creatine monohydrate in capsule form. It offers a high number of servings and convenient, pre-measured doses. If you prefer capsules over powder for ease of use and travel, this is an excellent selection. What people say. This product is a great addition to my workout routine, helping me push through tougher sets and recover faster. I've noticed a significant increase in my strength and endurance since I started using this creatine. My lifts have gone up, and I feel less fatigued during my workouts. The powder mixes very easily with water, with no gritty texture or unpleasant taste. It's convenient to take before or after my training sessions. Number 1. Force Factor Creatine Monohydrate Powder. Unlock your body's natural power with our premium creatine monohydrate. It's designed to fuel your muscles and enhance your performance. Experience the benefits of pure, micronized creatine. This formula ensures maximum absorption for effective results. Each serving delivers a potent 5-gram dose of creatine monohydrate. It's the ideal amount to support your fitness goals. Support your muscle growth and recovery with this essential supplement. It helps you push harder and recover faster. Elevate your training sessions with this powerful formula. It provides the energy and endurance you need to excel. Our micronized powder mixes easily into your favorite beverage. Enjoy a simple yet effective way to boost your physical capabilities. What we like. This product delivers a straightforward 5g dose of micronized creatine monohydrate. It's a no-frills option focused on effectiveness. If you want a pure and simple creatine powder for muscle growth and strength, this is a solid choice. What people say. This creatine is great for muscle growth and strength gains. I noticed a significant increase in my energy levels and endurance during workouts. The powder mixes easily with water and doesn't have any gritty texture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.